cleaning all the flight metal up, I came to this. Assembled and ready to fire up my top RC Mustang custom edition. I have covered it in flight metal. I have sanded it down with 300 grit paper, water paper. It's been a long process of 2 years doing this thing. Now, of course, is up for painting. If you see this nose, this cone in front, it's not gonna be this color. So those of you who thought it's gonna be like that, it's not. It's gonna be a very special one. There are not many like that, and I think it's gonna be one of the most beautiful out there on the fields. So I'm very happy with the whole thing, with the whole how it all came together. I have cleaned it up fully because this is like, it's really like, it took me maybe 2 hours of cleaning this thing. So now it's ready for painting, and I mean, I'm gonna do all of that. As you can see, you know, I riveted down to all the details. If you see, right, so it took me again a lot of time to do all those rivets. I don't know if you can see very well. However, of course, it's time to put on the paint. It's time to, of course, put on the scale things, which still doesn't have except those machine guns, but there will be lights, which I'm gonna do a video of light, how I'm gonna do it, how I'm gonna do the landing light, and of course the functional drop tanks will have on. So yeah, here is a little bit, you can see the cockpit inside. I don't know if you can see, maybe not. I will open it out. It has a sliding canopy, although it's now off power, but I'll show you how it looks from the inside. So basically that's the plane, and hopefully it flies well, and of course then my job is done, and there will be a lucky owner, somebody who will want this plane.